Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about step-by-step application process of IIT Kanpur. So, guys, all of you know that IIT Kanpur is a very good institute of our country and as well as in the world also. So, guys, please watch this video till the end because at the end of this video, you will understand completely how to fill up the PhD application form for for December session. So guys, let's start. So all of you can I think all of you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. Already I had made a video about PhD notification of IIT Kanpur. This is the notice for PhD and you have to go to this section. This is the section. Okay, apply online. You have to click on these and then you have to click on apply online apply. Okay, so then if you are new user, okay, so if you are new user, then you have to click on this new user section. You have to put your email, you have to put your email, you have to look this id already registered, so you have to give your uh, mobile number and so on. Okay, so and then you have to give your date of birth and the title Mr. or Mrs. and so on. So you have to give all these things. Okay, and others things also. Then you have to, what is your username? I don't use it because this is not compulsory. Okay, suppose you can set a username, but don't do that. Okay, so this star marks actually indicates these all are compulsory. Okay, this part username, it's not compulsory. Okay, so create a password, then re-enter the password and enter this caption. Okay, the captcha code and then register. So when you will register, you will get a notification in your mail id and mobile number also, and then you have to go to this section. Okay, apply online section. Okay, so you have to register, you have to click here and then you have to go to this online application section. Okay, so now I will talk about like what is that. Look, so with your email id and password that you will you will create, so with that information you have to sign in. You have to click on this and you will get this interface. Okay, you will get what type of interface? You will get this type of interface. One second, it will take times actually. My my email id already registered. Okay, so this interface you will get. Okay, you have to first you have to fill up the personal details. Okay, and then program details and then academic details, then experience details, then documents upload, and you have to pay after that. Okay, so look, what is the personal details? First you have to put that title. Okay, Mr. or Mrs. You should you should fill that according to you. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. And then you have to fill up like what is your name. Okay, then you have to fill up that. Okay, do according to you. And then you have to fill up like email id. You have to put your email id and alternate email id and then mobile number and alternate mobile number. You can do this all this. Okay, you can do this. Okay, and then you have to put your date of birth and place and so on. Nationality you can according to you should fill that. Suppose you are from you have to fill this gender, male and female, whatever it is up to you. Okay, you have to fill that, and you can put your category, either you are from general category or EWS category. If you are from any reserved category, so you can fill that. Okay, if you are from this, so you can fill that. If you are from this, you can fill that. So you can fill, if you have other number, this is not compulsory, and but this is compulsory, category is compulsory. So look at this. So if you have Aadhaar card during your application time, so you can put that. And who is your guardian, you can give the guardian name, and corresponding address. What is your address, you have to fill that. Okay, so you have to fill that, all this information. And if your correspondent address and permanent address same, you can click on this. Okay, it will be it will be copied from the previous one. And then you have to save and next. Okay, you have to save and next. When you will click this, next step will come. Look, next step, program details. Program details will come: full-time, part-time, external. There is three options: full-time, part-time. Suppose you have to click what are the programs. Look, doctoral philosophy, master of technology, and MS by research. These are the program. And suppose you can choose according to your department. Okay, you can choose according to your department. Suppose you are from economics department, so you can choose that. Okay, I have selected economics science. And look, and then if you want to know more about the department, economic science department, you can click here. And look, this preference one. So suppose there are so many sections and opportunities are there, so only one um, is there, that is economic science. And under this you will get everything. Okay, suppose economic science, in biological science you will see that there are more domain. Okay, so that's why this IIT have created this profile: preference 1, preference 2, like molecular biology, cell biology, genetics, like this. Okay, so a proposed area like game theory. Okay, and then do you want institute assistantship? Yes. If you do not have any GRF, so you should put this. Okay, so it will like TA, and you will get 31,000 per month. Okay, and then you have to click save and next. Suppose you have no time and you want to fill this form after some time, so for that you have to click save and next. Okay, why I am telling you? Suppose you have no time, you have to go somewhere, you have to go any place, then you want to fill that form in after some time. Okay, you are doing this in the morning, but you want to fill up this form in the evening, so for that, save and next, you have to click save and next, so the data will be saved. And for now I will do save and next. Okay, next part will come academic details. So for example, if you have a GRF, like if you sorry, so suppose you have qualified GATE, so you can click this. Suppose you have qualified like other exam, GATE, CSR, NET, UGC NET, and so on, so you have to put according to this. I had qualified GATE exam in 2022 in life science. This is my registration ID score, and you can do this according to you. Okay, so and this valid up to this rank. Okay, so look, you can put this, and you have to calculate this percentile. And if suppose you have other exam, you can put this other exam also. Okay, so you have to do that. Okay, and thus you can fill all this form. And qualifying details, qualifying, what is the qualifying details? Qualifying degree details, the most important thing is that what is your final qualification. Suppose you have done master degree and B.Ed and so on, so you have to put your degree on the basis of which you are applying. Okay, on the basis of that degree you are applying, so this is qualifying degree. So MSc is my qualifying degree, so I have put that information. University name, I you can choose your like others. If you are from MA, you have done MA in this program, okay, economics, so you can choose that. You have to put your like university, and then you have to choose your city, year of admission, year of completion, and so on. This can't you have to, this section is important, awaited and awarded, okay. So total duration 2 years duration. You if you put this semester wise, you can do this. And grade type, what is the type, CGPA or percentage? In university you will see that most of the university, state university, you will see that percentage, and SGPA. Some university can provide like CGPA, SGPA, and so on. So these are the semester, like if you have done your master's program in either in MA or MSc, okay, so you have to put marks, semester marks and total marks. So semester marks and total marks you have to put like this, and so on, okay. So overall you have to put like this, okay, and then you have to select this. And when you will fill this na, all this result will come, all this result will come, okay. And look, suppose you can change this, you can change this. I have done this randomly, okay, I have done this randomly. Suppose 190, your answer will be changed, okay, your answer will be changed. Suppose you can change this, you can change this, you can change this, you can change this, okay. So all will be changed, okay. So you should fill up according to you, okay. Suppose this you have to change this, okay, you have to change this. So these are the some important information, and look, it will change, okay, it will change, okay. You have to calculate this out of this, you have to calculate this out of this, and then you have to calculate this. You should add all this, and your percentage will be changed. So you can calculate this, okay. 17, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So 8, 1, 0. So you can calculate this. It will be like, so you should fill up all this according to you, and then you have to put your look like this. And look, suppose previous education details from higher secondary, you have to put this very carefully in chronological order, in chronological order. Look, suppose if you want to your graduate secondary exam, so you have to pull secondary, year of completion, year of institute, discipline, score, maximum marks, percentage, and university. Then you have to click on this plus button, this plus button. And then suppose you want to fill up your bachelor's degree, BS. So you have to fill all this information, maximum score, percentage, and so on, okay. Suppose you have to fill this, you have to fill this, you have to fill this, okay, you have to fill this, and so on. Suppose you want to remove this, you have to click this minus symbol, okay. Suppose you want to add one more academic details, you can add this, I think you are able to see, you can add this. According to this, you can feel like your secondary, higher secondary, BAs and master's program. If you add other extracurricular activities like other courses, diploma courses, you can add this, and you will get this, okay. Suppose you have done any diploma courses, okay, so you will get this, okay. Others, in this you have to put this other section, you can fill all the information other section. So I want to remove this, okay, I want to remove this. I think all this information is are very very important, okay. And you have to save and next, okay. When you will do save and next, you have to I should remove this, I want to remove this, okay, I want to remove this. And then you will see this part. Suppose you have done any research work, you have done any research work, you have attended, you have attended like you any seminars or papers, any conference. So number of papers published, number of papers in conference proceedings. So you can book, suppose you have written any book chapter, you can put here. Okay, all this information. And necessary documents you have to upload. Necessary documents, you have to click here, and you have to just click on this, and your drive will be given. Okay, so it will direct you to your folder. So from that you can pick, from that you can this, suppose you want to drop this. Okay, so your data will be complete, your like data will be entered. But I want to remove this. This is other document, I want to close this. Thus you can fill. Okay, so I think all this information are very necessary, very necessary information. And look, suppose you have any job experience. Okay, suppose you have very good job experience or research experience, and so on. So you can fill this information. What is the designation, assistant professor or professor? Okay, and what is your organization with location, you have to put this, and from which date you have done these jobs. Okay, from this to this. And roles and responsibilities, what like what was the role. Okay, so of you your like gross pay, you have to put this your value, and so on, 80,000 and 20,000. You can put this, suppose 40,000. So you can thus put this, all this data. But I want to remove this, just I want to show you. And then you have to click save and next. You have to click your image, and then you have to fill up your document, secondary, get scorecard, qualifying marks, detail, and so on. Just for that, what you should do, you have to click this, and you have to click this, and you have to click at the file according to your requirement. Okay, and then thus you can fill up all this. Okay, you have to click this, and you have to drag this information. Okay, you have to select, and then you have to click on this option. So all this will help you. And then this, your qualifying degree details. Okay, all this information are very very useful and necessary information. Okay, I think this information will help you a lot. And then final cover letter on statement of purpose, but this is very important. Look, statement of purpose. Okay, SOR. So you, this is not compulsory, but if you have that, okay, as a document, you can fill up this. You have to click on this, you have to drag the, you have to click on this, you have to drag this information, and then put that information. So I think all this information will help you a lot. And then you have to, if you want to save this as a draft, you can click on this. Or if you want to see the look, so all this information, this is the preview section. Okay, preview, this is not preview, I have to drag this. Okay, so it will show the completeness. Okay, one thing that I want to show you, that is like, okay, get scorecard. This is the get scorecard. So just already it is filled out, and then I can do that. Thus your form will look like this. Okay, your form will look like this, and it is a complicated form. And then you have to check box, and then you have to click this checkbox, and then you have to final submit. Okay, so and then you have to pay. Okay, you have to pay. Thus you can fill this form. Okay, thus you can, this is the final step, and thus you can fill this form. But I want to cancel this. So this was the procedure, this was the procedure. Thus you can fill the form. And I think this will help you a lot. It was step by step application form. Okay, through you can see this video and watch this video till the end, and this will help you a lot. So guys, that's all from my side today. and tata bye bye. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Okay, because this may help others also. Okay, that's why I'm telling you guys. So I am not a very good YouTuber. I have a lot of activity in IITs. I'm doing my research projects, research and so on. So I'm busy with my study, but just I want to help you. Okay, so that you will get some information, some benefits and so on. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Okay, please share this video. You can share this video in any platform like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. You can share these links also. Okay, so I think all this information will help you a lot. That's all from my side today. Tata bye bye. Jai Hind.